Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be reviewing the Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. This keyboard is designed for those who need to switch between multiple devices on a regular basis, such as a computer, tablet or smartphone. We will be discussing its features, design and performance to help you decide if this keyboard is right for you. So, sit back, relax and let's get started. The design of the Logitech K380 is a compact and lightweight keyboard measuring only 10.9 inches in width and weighing just 14.9 ounces. Its slim profile makes it easy to carry around with you, making it a great option for those who travel often. The K380 comes in a variety of colors to choose from, including rose, blue and black, so you can find one that matches your style. It also has a sleek and modern look with a rounded edge and a matte finish. One of the key features of the Logitech K380 is its ability to connect to multiple devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. It can connect to up to 3 devices, which you can switch between easily with the press of a button. This means you can use it to type on your computer, then quickly switch to your tablet or smartphone without having to disconnect and reconnect every time. It's also compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android and iOS, so you can use it with almost any devices. The keys on the Logitech K380 are round and slightly concave, which makes typing comfortable and easy. The keyboard also has a full-sized layout, including a number pad, which is impressive given its compact size. The keys have a low profile, which can take some getting used to if you are used to typing on a keyboard with a higher profile, but overall the typing experience is satisfying. The keyboard also has a long battery life with the ability to last up to 2 years on just 2 AAA batteries. This means you won't have to worry about replacing the batteries often, making it a hassle-free keyboard to use. In terms of typing, it feels responsive and precise. The keys have a good amount of travel and a satisfying tactile feedback. The round keys are designed to make it easy to hit the right key, which can be especially helpful for those who tend to mistype on traditional rectangular keys. The Bluetooth connectivity on the Logitech K380 is also reliable and easy to use. Pairing the keyboard with your device is straightforward and quick, and once paired, the connection remains stable. Switching between devices is also easy with the ability to do so with just the press of a button. That's it for our review of the Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching.